Hey there, it's Eddie for Watch Before You Buy, and today we are talking about Nemheng N5 Smartwatch. But before I start, I have one extra Nemheng N5 in front of me, and this one is for you. All you need to do is to leave your Twitter handle in the comment box below, and make sure you're subscribed. Today is 5th December 2021, and the price of the smartwatch is $50. The watch comes in black and gold colors. This is how the box looks like, and in the box beside the watch you will find the charging cable and the instructions. The watch has 1.69-inch screen. On the right side it has the button, while on the other side in the middle we can see sensors and magnetic charging pins. The straps are made out of silicone and its width is 20 millimeters. You can easily exchange them thanks to the quick release mechanism. The watch weight is 21 grams without the straps and 37 grams with. To see the watch face, turn the wrist, or you can also press the button. When you turn the wrist or press the button, the watch face will stay visible for 5 seconds by default. This can be changed to 10 or 15 seconds. The watch can also detect when you lower your arm and go to standby automatically. If the watch is on standby, pressing the button will toggle on and off the watch, while if you're in the app, pressing the button will take you back to the watch face. You can also press and hold the button to turn off the watch. While on the watch face, if you tap and hold, the watch will take you to the watch face menu where you can choose one out of 5 default watch faces, while in the app you can choose from many more. While on the watch face, if you swipe left, it will take you to your activity data where you have your steps, distance and calories spent on this day. Then we have the heart rate app. This app will measure your heart rate for every 10 minutes automatically, and it will also measure your heart rate every time you open that app. Next on the list is blood pressure app. Then we have blood oxygen app, the app that measures your temperature, your sleep data, and the weather app where you can see your current weather, minimum and maximum for this day, and the weather for the next 6 days. While on the watch face, if you swipe to the right, it will take you to your app list. Here you have your training app, which holds 24 fitness modes. This is how the running mode looks like. You have your steps, distance and time here. If you swipe up, heart rate and calories. To stop the workout, you can swipe right or press the button. The next app on the list is the music app. This app uses your Bluetooth connection to control the media on your phone. Then we have the stopwatch. The watch face will stay visible until you stop it. You can also start and stop the stopwatch with the button, and it will also remember where you stopped the last time you used the app. The next app is the timer. Here you have some preset timers and you can also set your own. Below that is the watch face menu. Then we have brightness. Next on the list is Find My Phone app. This app will use your Bluetooth connection to find your phone and make it ring. Below that is the flashlight. It's important to mention here that the strength of the flashlight will be same as the brightness level. And the last app is the settings, where we have about, switch off and reset. While on the watch face, if you swipe down, it will take you to the quick access menu where you have Don't Disturb, which will disable the vibrations on your notifications. Then we have Find My Phone feature, quick access to brightness and settings. While on the watch face, if you swipe up, it will take you to your notifications. You can tap on the message to read it here. When someone calls you via internet, your watch will vibrate and show you the caller. When you get a message via internet, the watch will vibrate and show you the message. Now let's check out the app. On the first page you have your data. Here you can see things like your steps, distance, heart rate and sleep data. If you tap on the heart rate, you can see here more detailed data. If you go to the device, here we have some standard things like dial settings, call and app reminder. Here you can see from which apps you can get your notifications. Also we have standardary reminder, which will remind you to stand up if you're sitting for a long time. And the last feature I want to show you here is the shake photography, which allows you to take photos by shaking your wrist. Alright, with this we are pretty much done with the watch and the app. The only thing left to do is to do some tests. The first test is the raise to wake feature. This test demonstrates the speed of your hand movement detection. From what I see, it looks like the standard response time. When it comes to the screen, you can see it has really good viewing angles. The touch responsiveness is okay. When it comes to the transitions, they are quite fast. Probably the first thing you'll notice here is the high screen resolution. The next test I did was an alarm vibration test. I wanted to see if the vibration is strong enough to kick you out of the sleep. And what I found is the vibration strength is somewhere in the middle, and I believe that it will wake you up if you're not too tired. When it comes to the step counter, I did 3 tests. The first one was for 100 steps, and the watch recorded 96 steps. In the second test, I did 500 steps, while the watch recorded 501 step, while in the third test I did 1000 steps, where the watch recorded 1003 steps. When it comes to the battery test, I couldn't do a proper test as all battery information I have is this icon here, but from what I saw, it looks like you'll get about a week of battery life for normal use. Charging time takes about 2 hours. This smartwatch comes with IP67 resistance rating, which means that it has dust and sand resistance, and that it was tested for water resistance by putting it at least for 30 minutes under the water in the depth up to 1 meter. I did my 30 minutes underwater test, and the watch has passed the test. To test the heart rate up, I'll be using the pulse oximeter. I compared the watch for 40 seconds with the pulse oximeter, and these are my results. In the next test, I'm testing the blood pressure up. I'm comparing the watch with a medically approved upper arm blood pressure monitor. The watch measures 115/73, while the monitor measures 124/80. To measure blood oxygen, I'm using pulse oximeter against the watch. The watch measures 99, while the oximeter measures 97. For the body temperature up, I'm using infrared digital thermometer against the watch. The watch measures 36.7 degrees Celsius, while the thermometer measures 36.3 degrees Celsius. And with this, I'm done with all of my tests. If you choose to buy this product, I'm going to leave a link for the setup tutorial video where I'll explain how to set up this product. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment box below. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day. Catch you guys later.